Now all of us are present in the boys hostel, Chandikamar boys hostel of Mohammadati Science College. Few days before we have advised the students to give a mini presentation, mini project presentation, which was based on some mathematical contents, some mathematical solutions, mathematical problems, formulas, graphs, and whatever they want to present, they will present within 2 or 3 minutes. So in college also we have conducted this program, and in the boys hostel, Mohammadati boys hostel, we are also continuing conducting this program. So now our student, dear student Sahil, he has chosen the topic function. So he has chosen to explain the definition of function, and he has also given 3 or 4 examples. So he will say the definition, he will explain the definition, as well as also he will give the presentation about some examples of function. So in this way he will teach the example of function to the students. There are so many students in front of us. You can also move the camera towards the students. So they will ask questions or doubts, whatever they want to ask, they can ask. Okay. So now we can capture. Now I explain kariya
A relation from A to B is said to be a function if each element of A has one and only one image in B. या होजे যদি গোটে রিলেশন होजे A and B যে তবে আমি তাকে কেতବେଳେ ফাংশন করবা যেতବେଳେ A रो সেট A रो ସବୁ এলিমেন্ট সেট B रो যেতବେଳେ if each element of A মানে A रो যেতବେଳେ ସବୁ এলিমেন্ট one and only one image মানে গোটিয়ে তার পার্টিকুলার গোটিয়ে ইমেজ রইব তাহলে তাকে ফাংশন তাহলে আমি তাকে ফাংশন করি যেমন এক্সাম্পল গোটিয়ে A and B রে আমি এটা ফাংশন করি কাହିଁକି ନା ইয়াର ଗୋଟିଏ ଯୋଉ ପର୍ଟିକୁଲାର ଇମେଜ ଅଛି ଆଉ ଯଦି ଆମେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ପଲ କରିବା যদি আমি এই এক্সাম্পলটা কহিবা তাহলে এই এক্সাম্পলটা হবনি কাହିଁକି ନା ইয়াର more than one image ଅଛି ଏଟା ଆମର କୁହାଯାଏ ଯେ one and only one image of A in B ମାନେ P ରେ ଖାଲି ଗୋଟିଏ B ସାରେ ସେ ଖାଲି ଗୋଟିଏ ଇମେଜ ତିଆରି କରି ପାରିବ ତାହେଲେ ଆମେ ତାକୁ ଫଙ୍କସନ କରିବା କିନ୍ତୁ ଏଠି A ଦୁଇ ଜଣଙ୍କ B ର ଦୁଇ ଜଣଙ୍କ ସାରେ ଫଙ୍କସନ ଦୁଇ ଜଣଙ୍କ ସାରେ ଇମେଜ ସୃଷ୍ଟି କରୁଛୁ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଏଇଟା ତ ଆମେ ଫଙ୍କସନ ବୋଲି କହିପାରିବାନି ଆଉ ଏଇଟା ବି ଆପଣ ଦେଖିପାରନ୍ତି A B 1 ଆଉ B ରେ ଏଲିମେଣ୍ଟ ସଙ୍ଗେ ଯଦି ନ କଲା ତାହେଲେ ତାହା ଚଳିବ କିନ୍ତୁ A ର ପର୍ଟିକୁଲାର ଗୋଟିଏ ଇମେଜ ପୁଣି ସମସ୍ତ କଥା ଜାଣିବା ଦରକାର। ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ।